Hi, so here I'm reviewing a small table from IKEA. It's called the LACK chair. Description will be below the video. Very simple, it's 55 centimeters square. And in this box it comes with 4 double screws that you just put in, very easy. You see, screws like this. You don't need any tools. And here you have the legs, they have a little hole on one side. What I would do, but I don't have it here now, what I would do, I would actually put a little glue here. That will forever be good. So you just find the hole and you just turn like this without any tools. Of course you try to do this as straight as possible at the moment. I will tell you why I would put glue here. With the screw, there is no way you can over tighten it. I will explain you why I would put glue here. Look, you don't know where to stop. You can you go one more? You see, like for example now, I cannot go one more. So this is too tight, like this. But I would put glue, so it will be forever good. And the only thing I don't like about these chairs, on the bottom, it has the same pressed wood like on the other side, and it did not put any rubber or something. So when you were cleaning the floor with water, this will expand, and maybe that's what they want, of course. A very thin MDF, this will expand, crack, and
so you paid for this?
That's not to put in the video, okay? Thank you very much for your support. Here I would advise to put these rubbers that they sell separate, and you nail it in here so you're a little bit off the floor. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.